LNC fam, welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, 2012 Mercedes C63 AMG, front end damage. So pretty much new bumper, fender, hood, headlight, and maybe some plastic pieces. We'll take everything apart, assess the damage, and start ordering new parts. But this is a very nice car. They don't make cars like this anymore. 6.3 V8 AMG power. In a second, we'll hear how the car sounds. Sounds very mean. I think it's like straight pipe or something, so it's a screamer. Sounds very aggressive. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. Got the Mercedes inside of the shop, so first things first, I gotta remove this wheel. We're gonna sand it out and get the wheel reconditioned, and we'll start taking everything apart, and by the time we put everything back together, we should get the wheel back in a couple of days. Let the fun begin. Let's do this. Just got all the parts for the Mercedes, so now we could start working. We got everything brand new from the dealer. Oh yeah, that's the best way to do it. Get everything brand new from the dealer and you're good to go. everything is painted and ready to go. Oh, look at that hood. Came out perfect. Same with the fender and bumper. Ready to go. So now we could just install everything in the car because the car is black, solid color. We don't have to do any blend on the door. So it's gonna look perfect. I just transferred everything from the old hood to the new. So now we're ready to start installing. Just put the Mercedes completely together and man, look how aggressive it looks. Came out super nice, like nothing happened, so my job is done. Next we'll pull the car out and start the detailing process and it's ready for delivery. Let's go. ¿Qué pasa? Muy buen, muy buen. You ready?
Ready?
You gotta make it look like brand new?
Uh-huh.
Orale. So yeah, black color, gotta make it look and shine bright like a diamond. Came out good, huh?
Crazy. It looks incredible. Super happy.
Another happy customer. Yeah, it sounds like a monster, man.
We need to fire it up.
Yeah, ready for the weekend. Yeah, sounds like a monster. Woo! Beautiful, man. Well, you're all set.
Oh my God.
Thank you for coming.
Dude,
Enjoyed the
thank you so
car.
much.
Another happy customer. That's what we like to see. We're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!